Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn Islam with fun. Bismillah, let's start. Mommy, why do we make wudu?
Because Allah loves cleanliness before standing in prayer.
So we must be clean before Salah?
Yes, clean body and clean place. Come, little Muslims, I will teach you step by step.
Yay! Yay!
First, we say Bismillah,
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
and we make intention in our hearts to do wudu. First, wash your hands very nicely.
Like this, Mommy?
Yes! Oh, Ibrahim, try not to waste water.
Okay, Mommy. Me too, Mommy. I'll save water. Me too.
Good kids care for Allah's blessings. Now we rinse our mouth.
Like cleaning our mouth?
Yes, very good. Now gently clean the nose.
Wudu is making us super clean.
Yes. Now wash your beautiful face.
Yay!
Now we clean our arms carefully as part of getting ready for Salah.
Like this, Mommy? Yes!
Very good, Ibrahim.
I want to learn too.
Now gently wipe your head. Now clean the ears. Use your wet fingers to wipe them gently. Just like that, Allah loves those who are clean. Do you know something special about wudu? Like hands 3 times, mouth and face 3 times, but wipe your head just once.
I want my wudu perfect. Me too.
Last step! Wash your feet carefully.
Wudu is finished?
Yes! Do you know the important parts of wudu?
Really, Mommy?
These are called the fard parts.
Extra?
Sunnah steps help us follow the Prophet. It is even better.
Mommy, should we stay in wudu?
Yes, it is a beautiful habit.
Why, Mommy?
Because Allah loves cleanliness.
I want to stay clean too.
Let's stay
clean and ready for Salah.
Now we are clean and ready for Salah.
We are ready. See you next time on Deen Toons Kids.